People love avocados for both their flavor and health benefits. Unfortunately, as more and more people are eating the pitted green fruit, the amount of hand-cutting injuries is also on the rise. We collected data from Statistica.com and ouch! I cut my hand.org.
This is our data for avocados consumed per capita.
For our data on avocado consumption per capita, we organized our data into a dot plot to show frequency. Our spread of data is from 0.87 through 7.72, with the overall range of 6.85. The data has two clusters, ranging from 0.87 to 4.25 and 5.1 to 7.72. It's skewed right with the peak in the 1 to 1.49 range and the center at 2.92. Our box and whisker plot for our data shows our min at 0.87, our first quartile at 1.32, the median of 2.92, our third quartile at 5.1, and the max of 7.72. The interquartile range is 3.78, and the mean of the data is 3.44.
Now let's explore the number of hand-cutting injuries. This dot plot shows the number of hand-cutting injuries occurring per year. Most hand-cutting injuries occur between 8,000 and 8,500 times per year, but this dot plot shows that the center number of hand-cutting injuries occurring per year is roughly 9,500. This dot plot is also skewed right. Based on this box and whisker plot above, the range of the number of hand-cutting injuries occurring per year are between 8,000 injuries and 13,076 injuries. The median number of injuries occurring per year are 9,410 injuries. The first quartile number of hand injuries occurring per year is 8,367, and the third quartile is 10,520 injuries per year, producing an interquartile range of 2,153 injuries per year. Based on all these numbers, the mean number of injuries occurring every year is roughly 9,767.6 injuries.
According to the data, as the number of avocados consumed per capita increases, so does the number of hand-cutting injuries. And although the R in our squared data is quite correlated, we can see that there are other lurking variables that might affect the data.
The two datasets have a very strongly positive association. The response variable, the number of hand-cutting injuries, increases as the explanatory value, the avocados consumed per capita, increases. The least squares regression line is hand injuries hat equal to 7,692 plus 603.54 avocados consumed per capita. This least squares regression line estimates that for every avocado consumed per capita, a 603.54 increase in hand-cutting injuries will occur, as well as stating that 7,692 hand injuries occur regardless of avocados consumed per capita. An example of a prediction made by the line is that if 2.4 avocados were consumed per capita, there would be approximately 9,140.5 hand-cutting injuries. The data has an R value of 0.917, showing a strongly positive correlation, and the R squared value of 0.841 shows that there is over 80% of the correlation related to avocados consumed. The rest of the correlation can be left up to lurking variables, such as the number of knife juggling competitions in the area. Although the R squared value suggests that lurking variables only have a small effect on the association.
After examining the data, we hope that you guys are more careful the next time you make guacamole. This is Paradise Sabbatical, and this was Against All Sense.
Guacamole, guac, guacamole.